Have you ever stood in front of a big diesel engine and thought, there's no way I'm ever going to understand all of this? Wires everywhere, hoses going in every direction, parts with names nobody ever explained to you. Or maybe you're already in school or working as an apprentice and you've thought, well, I can follow instructions, but I don't really understand all these systems or what's happening. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But more importantly, you're in the right place. Because you see, I was also that guy who didn't understand everything when I started out in the heavy duty mechanic trade. And I'm creating this channel because this is exactly what I wish existed when I was starting out. Because there's a gap in how heavy duty mechanics are taught these days, a big gap. Most people don't struggle because the trade is too hard. They struggle because they were never given clear fundamentals. Too often, learning looks like just do it this way, or you'll figure it out eventually, or that's just how it works. But here's the truth. If you don't understand the basics, everything else feels confusing. And when you do understand the basics, everything else starts to click because new knowledge builds on previous knowledge. This channel is meant to help build that beginner diesel knowledge base. I want to explain what a system does, why it exists, and how it connects to the rest of the machine. Because once you understand why, the how becomes much easier. But who am I and why should you care about what I'm creating? As you've likely guessed by the channel name, my name is Marty, and I'm a heavy-duty mechanic and aspiring instructor who believes this trade should be approachable and not intimidating. I've worked with brand new students, apprentices just starting in shops, and I changed careers to become a heavy-duty technician in my mid-20s, not directly out of high school. This channel is built on the idea that a good explanation and understanding of theory can save years of frustration. So let's talk about who this channel is for. This is an introductory channel. That means you don't need experience, you don't need the fanciest tools, and you don't need to already know engines. You just need curiosity and a willingness to learn. If you're a student in heavy-duty equipment, truck and transport, diesel technology, fleet or school bus maintenance, ag mechanics, or construction, this channel was made with you in mind. If you've ever read a textbook and felt lost, sat in class nodding but still confused, or memorized steps without actually understanding them, these videos are intended to help fill in those gaps. We will break down things like how a diesel engine actually makes power, what really happens during compression and combustion, along with why temperature, pressure, and flow matter. And if you're already working in a shop as an apprentice or a junior technician, this channel should help you level up your understanding. You might already do services, replace some parts, or follow work orders, but here's the difference maker. I want you to understand these systems, not just perform the tasks. Examples may include why voltage drop causes slow cranking, why low coolant temperature is just as bad as overheating, why oil pressure alone doesn't tell the whole story. When you understand the why of these things, you'll be able to diagnose faster, make fewer mistakes, and gain trust in the shop. And that's how you move forward in this trade. But maybe you're not in the trade yet. Maybe you're thinking, is heavy-duty mechanics something I could even do? What do diesel mechanics actually work on? Or is this trade worth even getting into? This channel should give you a realistic, honest introduction to heavy-duty mechanics. No hype, nothing too scary. I have over 15 years of experience in this trade, and I'm a Red Seal truck and transport mechanic. I'll provide clear explanations so you can decide if this path is right for you. You'll find structured content on diesel engine fundamentals, including videos about the four-stroke diesel cycle, compression versus combustion, crankshafts, camshafts, and valve timing, and why diesel engines rely on heat, not spark. I'll be making electrical content as well, detailing voltage, current, and resistance, how to properly use a multimeter, starting and charging systems, along with voltage drop testing and why it matters. We'll get into cooling and lubrication systems as well, along with how techs should think. Learning how systems interact with each other, discussing common beginner mistakes, and why guessing costs time and money are other ideas of videos I'd like to create. While the order may not be perfect each week, each video is designed to build on previous lessons so that your knowledge grows step by step. So now that you know what this channel is about, let's explain what it's not. This channel is not about showing off fancy toolboxes. It's not about rushing repairs. And it's not about assuming you already know everything. It's also definitely not about making you feel bad for asking questions. This channel exists to remind you that everyone starts somewhere, and strong technicians are built on strong foundations. I hope new techs will gain knowledge and value here, but also stick around to help new technicians on their journey as well. So if your goal is to understand heavy-duty systems, build confidence in school or the shop, and learn diesel fundamentals the right way, please consider subscribing and leave a comment about videos you'd like to see in the future. Watch the videos that match where you're at right now, rewatch them if you need to, and ask questions to help with understanding. And remember, understanding takes time, and that's okay. Welcome to Diesel Marty. Now let's get right into some diesel engine fundamentals, starting with this video right here.